Hello friends, after a very long time, welcome back to Align Pattern. Today we are going to talk about some top 30 plus very important algebraic formulas which is widely used to solve most of the topics including multiplication, division, subtraction and addition, which is asked in government exams like SSC CGL 2023, all bank exams like SBI IBPS 2023. That's why it's very important to know the algebraic formulas. So in today's video, we take a deep dive in algebraic formulas with some examples. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first algebraic formula is very simple: a plus b whole bracket square, which is a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or we can say a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can also simplify this as a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, for example, if we have a is equal to 2 as a value and b is equal to 3, so then a plus b whole bracket square is equal to 2 plus 3 whole bracket square. That is, with the help of formula 2 square plus 2 into 2 into 3 plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 2 into 6 plus 9, which is our answer is 25. Let's try this answer with another formula. Okay, that is our a minus b whole square plus 4ab, right? So a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a minus b whole bracket square plus 4ab. That is, our a's value is 2 and b is 3. So 2 minus 3 whole bracket square plus 4 into 2 into 3. That is 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. You can try any formula of a plus b whole square to get the exact value. Okay. Then our next is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or we can write it down as a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a minus b whole bracket square minus 4ab. For example, if we calculate this a minus 5 whole bracket square with our formula, then with the help of the formula we would get a square minus 2 into a into 5 plus 5 square, right? That is a square minus 10a plus 25. Now next is a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole bracket square minus 2ab, or we can write it down as a minus b whole bracket square plus 2ab. Okay, for example, if we have to find out the value of this expression 3 square plus 5 square, then the solution should be like this. Okay, so the value of a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. So with our formula we can get 3 square plus 5 square is equal to 3 plus 5 whole bracket square minus 2 into 3 into 5, right? So 3 plus 5 whole bracket square is equal to 64 minus 2 into 3 into 5 is 30. So 64 minus 30 is equal to 34. Got it? Then like this, the next formula is a square minus b square. Okay, so a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. For example, if we got the expression 9 square minus 4 square, then the value of this given expression is the value of a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 4 in this case, right? So 9 square minus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 4 into 9 minus 4 with this formula. So 30 into 5 is equal to 65. So we got the value of this expression 9 square minus 4 square is equal to 65. Right? Then the next is a plus b whole bracket square, which is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? Or we can also write it down as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Remember this. So with the help of this formula, here is one task for you. Calculate the value of expression 3x plus 2y whole cube. Okay, so find out the answer and list it down in the comment section. So our next formula is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Right? For example, if we have the expression 5x minus 2y cube, then the value of this using this formula a minus b whole cube is 5x cube minus 3 into 5x square into 2y plus 3 into 5x into 2y square minus 2y cube. Got it? 125x cube minus 150x square y plus 60xy square minus 8y cube. Okay, so our next formula is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, or we can also write it down as a plus b whole bracket cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Next is a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, or we can also write it down as a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, these are very important formulas to solve any equation in simple form. Remember it. That's why we need to expand it in more sophisticated manner, right? Next formula is a plus b plus c whole bracket square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Next is a minus b plus c whole bracket square, which is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Next is a plus b minus c whole bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Next formula is a minus b minus c whole bracket square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. Okay, only the difference is plus and minus sign. Remember this. Next is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole bracket square minus 2 into in bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Got it? For example, find the value of given expression. Here is the task: a square plus b square plus c square. If a plus b plus c is equal to, we have the value 20, and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 2. Okay, so if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of abc is equal to 0. Then our formula is somewhat manipulated in this manner. Okay, like using the a plus b plus c square formula, we got a plus b plus c is equal to 20. That's why 20 square minus 2 into 20. Okay, which is equal to 400 minus 40, which is equal to 360, like this. So we got our value a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 360, like this. Okay, then our next formula is a plus b whole bracket square plus a minus b whole bracket square is equal to 2 into in bracket a square plus b square, right? Next is a plus b whole bracket square minus a minus b whole bracket square, which is equal to 4ab. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to in bracket a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, next is a plus b whole bracket cube plus a minus b whole bracket cube is equal to 2a cube plus 6ab square. A plus b whole bracket cube minus a minus b whole bracket cube is equal to 2a cube plus 6a square b. Remember this difference. Next is a plus b plus c whole bracket cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 in bracket b plus c into in bracket c plus a into in bracket a plus b. Next is a into b, which is equal to in bracket a plus b whole bracket square minus a minus b whole bracket square divided by 4. Next is a plus b plus c is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc divided by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Next is a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square, and a minus b is equal to a cube minus b cube whole divided by a square plus ab plus b square. Got it? Remember only the difference between plus and minus in these formulas, right? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then our formula would be a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, which is very important formula. Remember this. Okay, if our value of a plus b plus c should be equal to 0, right? Then a raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 plus c raised to 4 is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket a square plus b square plus c square whole bracket square. Next is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to minus 2 in bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Next is bc plus ca plus ab whole bracket square is equal to 1 by 4 in bracket a square plus b square plus c square whole bracket square. And next is a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a is equal to 0. This is possible only if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Got it? Remember this. For example, if we consider the given example, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of given expression, and our expression is a square divided by bc plus b square divided by ca plus c square divided by ab. Okay, so we have to find out the value of this expression. So we know our formula. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then our formula would be a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube divided by abc is equal to 3. We can write it down like this. Got it? So divide this abc part as a cube divided by abc plus b cube divided by abc plus c cube divided by abc is equal to 3. Okay, so aa will cut, bb will cut, and cc will cut. So we have a square divided by bc plus b square divided by ac plus c square divided by ab is equal to 3. So we got our final value as a square divided by bc plus b square divided by ca plus c square divided by ab, which is equal to 3. So we got the answer as a 3. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you understand this formula in simple manner. See you in another video. Till then, keep practicing.